Today I'm gonna cook dried dilis na may itlog. It's a very simple dish but it's yummy, okay? So we need vinegar, black pepper, eggs, and then the dried dilis, and then chilies, tomatoes, spring onions, white onions, and then garlic. So let's get started. Saute the garlic. Good. The ingredients, the chilies and the spring onion. The dried dilis. Guys, vinegar, okay. Ito pa ay. Mabuli na umana. Okay guys. Sukat na to ano. The eggs. But guys, it's super yummy na guys. It's very simple but delicious. It's very simple but delicious. Try to taste. We need to add. Ingredients guys, oyster sauce. So that's our dried dilis with eggs. It's super yummy. Okay, I'm going to garnish some dried dilis with eggs. It's super yummy. It's tasting time. It's yummy. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. So ginisang dried dilis or dried dilis with eggs. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.